let's get my furnace running again. I had it had everything unplugged, which is why I couldn't get to run it first. All right, of course. Nope. All right. Oh. All right, and I got my valve set up. So this valve is set up specifically for this one, and this obviously goes to here. And when after 4 days, I'm going to turn this on, open this valve, and then close close this valve and turn this off to let it rest for 4 days as this one goes, and keeps the furnace, the vacuum going. Right. I don't want to stopper it. So, all right, let's plug this in. All right, that'll come on. All right, and now my furnace is going. Oh well, maybe not. Alright, hold on. Somewhere it's not making the good connections. Bulb isn't turning on because I've got everything wired correctly. Black light to black white to bulb. Wired correctly. Maybe it's the actual bulbs. All right, let's all right, we're going to test one of these bulbs to see if they are even working. Oh, here's the problem. Found it. I didn't have it plugged in on this end. So now it is going good. All right. So come back in 16 days to see the results. I forgot to mention, I'm going to make further videos of when I swap the vacuum pumps, like when I go from turn this one off and turn this one on, and vice versa. So stick around for that. So come back and see that too, folks. Please like, comment, and subscribe. So with whatever interests you. All right, bye.